For this week's assignment, you'll see I'm here in Siebel's Techies. I'm going to go ahead and press on week 4, search Google and other resources. When it shows up, you'll notice again it's worth 100 points and it's due April 27th. Number 1, it says go to Edpuzzle and watch the Google search video assigned. You'll just press this link and it should show up automatically to your account. If it doesn't, you'll want to log in with Google and you'll be able to locate it. There will be one video there to watch. I'm not going to show you that right now. You'll have to go there and see it. It's important that you watch the video and answer all the questions. At the end of the video, when it's completely done and you turn it in, Mrs. Up will see that you're done and then she'll grade it. So if you want to see your other grades on there, you can go in there. This is one way I can check to make sure that you are following along. The second thing you're going to do is open the Inventor fact sheet. So if I go down below, find that. At the bottom, I'm going to press on this and choose the Fact Inventor sheet. I have this all set up. So at the top here, you can actually press on the arrow out and it'll go right into your Google Sheets. Now, if you have not been into Google Sheets, you might have to choose it. Okay, so it's going to show up. And just press on no thanks. So you'll be able to click inside the box, just double tap, you'll be able to click. So if I'm doing this on blue jeans, I have it all set up. All you have to do is type in your information. So you just go right down the line. Now as you look across here, so it says who invented this. You would write the person's name there. Where was the inventor born? When was the inventor born? I want to know all that information. As much information as you can give me is what I want to know. That'll help you do the best you can on this project. What year did your inventor die? Now if your inventor hasn't died yet, you're just going to write none. 3 facts about inventor's childhood. So these 3 boxes here could be your facts. Now if you tend to run out of room, you can adjust it. So if I typed in a lot of information here, then I can just go, I'll just type something in. Even if I run out of room. Okay, we'll see what it does. Okay, so I could actually, if I wanted to, I could go up here to where the formatted A is, and I can actually make it smaller if I wanted to. Mrs. Up already has it set up for you, but if you need to make it smaller, you can. So you'll type in the information that belongs there. Okay, then it says information about inventors, family, parent, sibling, spouse. So there's a lot of lines here. You can put things on 1 line or 2 lines or whatever. Inventor's education, inventor's career. Some inventors you're going to find did not start out doing what they invented, and that's important that you include that. Year invention was made, so you want to write that. Purpose of invention, how did the invention make life easier for people? You need to write that too. Now if you had gone to, like, say, the Duckster's website, then I want you to type in the Duckster's website. Just type that in, okay? And you'll notice right away it'll link it. Let's pretend that I have it all filled out. I'm going to go ahead and press my check mark and then go ahead and click back on Classroom. It'll take me back to the classroom. As soon as I press on this X in the left corner, you'll see it's attached there, and all I need to do is press turn in, turn in. Once it's completely loaded, Mrs. Up has a copy. Now, you will always be able to access my YouTube channel. Any of the videos that we have used for any assignments will be there, and they'll be listed by weeks. But I also want you to notice that it says Google Earth will be pulled from your iPad on Thursday. So basically, if you have not finished week 1 or week 2, and I have not given you a grade for that, if you have not finished this by the end of the day Thursday, you will receive a 0 in the grade book.